Wolmer's Boys is represented by Ajani Crossman, Tyler Davis, Cameron Campbell, and TVJ Williams. The Queen School is represented by Ebony Charlton, Martina Wright, Cadian Fullerton, and Brittany Young. Now, only one of these teams will move on to the next round. Hello everyone and welcome to the final match in round 2 of TVJ's School Challenge Quiz 2024. I'm your host, Archibald Gordon. It all comes down to this. High schools from across Jamaica have entered the challenge, but do they have the skill, the knowledge, and the temperament to move to the next round? This is the opening challenge. In this section, teams will be asked questions alternately and will receive 1 point for each correct answer. Now, earlier we had the toss. The Queen's School won and decided to go first. So we begin with the Queen's School and 4 minutes on the clock in the category of history. Who is widely held to be the founding father of the Republic of Turkey?
Mao Zedong.
That's incorrect. It's Kemal Ataturk. Wolmer's Boys history. Who is widely held to be the founding father of the People's Republic of China?
Mao Zedong.
That's correct. International Affairs, the Queen's School, a visual question. Please look at the monitor and identify which country's flag is displayed.
Switzerland.
That's incorrect. It's Denmark. Wolmer's Boys, International Affairs, a visual question as well. Please look at the monitor. Identify which country's flag is displayed.
Burkina Faso. Benin.
That's correct. Physics, the Queen's School. What is the CGS unit of energy?
Joules.
That's incorrect. It's erg. Wolmer's Boys, physics. How many watts are equivalent to 1 horsepower?
What's equivalent to 1 horsepower?
33,000 watts.
33,000 watts.
Incorrect. 746 watts. Music, the Queen's School, an audio question. Please listen to the following clip and give the title of the song.
By chance, you're here alone. Can I have a moment?
Easy on me.
That's incorrect. It's When We Were Young by Adele. Wolmer's Boys, music, also an audio question. Please listen to the following clip and give the title of the song. By Lady Gaga. That's correct. Spanish, the Queen's School. What is the English translation for this question? ¿Quieres algo más de comer?
Do you want more to buy?
That's incorrect. It's do you want something else to eat? Spanish, Wolmer's Boys. What is the English translation for this question? ¿Para qué compañía trabajas?
¿Para qué compañía trabajas?
Do you have a friend at work?
Do you have a friend at work?
Incorrect. What company do you work for? Theatre and cinema, the Queen's School, a visual question. Please look at the monitor and identify the actress.
Vivica Fox.
That's incorrect. That's Octavia Spencer. Theatre and cinema, Wolmer's Boys, also a visual question. Please look at the monitor, identify the actress.
Who is Poison Ivy? Nicole Kidman.
Nicole Kidman.
That's incorrect. That's Jessica Chastain. The Queen's School, Information Technology. On a standard keyboard, which 3 keys are used as a shortcut for paste special?
Control plus V.
That's incorrect. It's Control Alt V. Wolmer's Boys, Information Technology. On a standard keyboard, what 2 keys are used as a shortcut to open a new blank document window?
New blank.
Control Alt.
Incorrect. It's Control N. Sports, the Queen's School, a visual question. Please look at the monitor and identify the person.
Michael Holder.
Michael Holder.
That's incorrect. That's the men's Olympic marathon champion back in Tokyo 2021. That's Eliud Kipchoge. Sports, Wolmer's boys, a visual question. Please look at the monitor and identify the person.
Bridget Koski. Bridget Koski.
That's incorrect. That's Perez Jepchirchir, Olympic women's marathon champion back in Tokyo in 2021. And that's the end of the opening challenge, and the scores are Wolmer's boys on 3 and the Queen's School on 0. When we come back, it will be time for the speed challenge. School's challenge quiz returns right after these messages.